I'm Kavita and welcome back to my channel Sparkle Kavi. Today I am here with a very easy and short project. If you are a beginner, then you can definitely start with this project, or if you want to teach your kids sewing, then you can go with this project and the result will definitely make your kid happy. So today we are going to do just 4 stitches and going to make these cute drawstring bags. These are great to store your separate your jewelry items or small things like kids crayons, candies or small toys when you go on travel. So without any delay, let's make these drawstring bags. For this project you will need a piece of fabric in rectangle shape, scissor, some rope and a safety pin or something to insert this rope into the drawstring bag. So let's start. First, lay your fabric with right side facing down, then fold both the short ends twice with 1/4 inch seam. You can iron them or gently crease it. Then take this piece to your sewing machine and give a straight stitch from start to end on both the sides. So I have made the 2 stitches. Basically we have made casing to insert our rope. Then fold your fabric in half with right side facing together. Then we'll give 2 stitches, one from this side and one from this. Start from this point, where you have made the straight stitch. Start from this point and stop at here. Make sure you reinforce both the ends. Do the same on the other side. Start from this point and stop at end. Now our last 2 stitches are also done. Then turn this bag inside out. Poke the corners with the help of pen or pencil. Now we will insert the rope into this bag. I will show you 2 methods of inserting rope into the bag. So for the first method you will need a rope that is at least like 15 inches long. Then cut the rope. Then with the help of safety pin we will insert this rope into the loop that we made in the first step. Now hold your safety pin and insert from one loop. And then insert on the other loop. Then adjust both the ends. Tie knot at both the ends. You can use a small ribbon also here. Any rope you have at your home you can use. So now our small drawstring bag is done. So I will show you how you can tie it. So I will put these earrings into the bag and pull both the ends and make a small knot here. your small pouch is ready. For the second type, take your string. You will need 2 pieces of string. So how you will decide how much long you want? So take one string, fold it in half, then your string should be at least 3 inches long than your drawstring bag, including your bag. So here you will see this plus I have taken extra 3 to 4 inches of string, and you will need 2 pieces of string. So take your safety pin, start from one point, one loop, then bring it and insert into the another loop. Take your another string. Now we will insert this from the opposite side. So first we have inserted from this side and bring it from the another side. Then now we will insert the another string on the opposite side. So here you will see the first string. Now start from one loop, insert it, then insert on the another loop, remove your pin, tie knot at both the ends, and adjust 2 strings. So it will look like this, the loose ends on the sides. So now I will show you how to tie this. So put something whatever you want, then pull the both these strings and tie knot like that.
So that was all about today's tutorial. You can make these bags in different sizes with just a piece of rectangle. So these bags are even great to store your sewing supplies like sewing clips, bobbins, or if you want to gift something to your friend and you are running out of wrapping paper, then you can put your gift in these bags, and these bags will really add a very personal touch to this gift. So at any point, if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you again next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.